question from Greenfin Farms. Hey, Curtis, we're thinking about moving completely to a fertigation system on our small farm rather than a typical side dressing of fertilizers or amending with compost for each bed turn. I know Eric Schultz uses a fertigation system at Steadfast, but is this kind of system compatible with overhead, or is it all meant to be pumped through drip? There doesn't seem to be much research on topic of overhead fertigation, but making the full quarter acre a drip system feels like it would be a chore. Let me know your thoughts. Yeah, I think you're right. I don't know anybody that does fertigation and overhead. That's all in drip. I mean, the primary reason for that is, I guess it's obvious, at least it seems obvious to me, that if you're going to be putting a resource through your sprinklers, usually it's like a fish emulsion or something like that that goes into these fertigation systems. You'll use it a lot more effectively if it's in a drip system, and because putting fish fertilizer on the foliar of your crops is not an effective use of that fertilizer. It's a waste. It'll evaporate or dry up. So you want to get it on the soil and into the roots where it's needed. So that's why it's drip. With Eric's system in particular, he has a hybrid system. He does drip and overhead, which I think is great for his climate. It makes a lot of sense. He does the fertigation through the drip and not through the overhead. So that's why it's just more effective that way. So I don't, maybe if you were running compost tea or a compost extract through, maybe there'd be a case to be made that you could do that with overhead. I still don't know anybody that does it with sprinklers. I've seen people spray it, right? But yeah, most people are doing that with drip, and I think it's fairly obvious, as I stated there.